Ininiches abuldablian a wee weak area in the wee ruminal wall, a weak areas tater seps, pagidwa wide, hinicus patch in persons to ichatu through deeper passage insertion femoral constant, exmens sense.
Inguinal hernias most often contain fat or part of the small intestine. In girls or women, inguinal hernias may contain part of the female reproductive system, such as an ovary. When an inguinal hernia occurs, part of the peritoneum bulges through the abdominal wall and forms. Inguinal hernias may slide in and out of the abdominal wall. A doctor can often move an inguinal hernia back inside the abdominal wall with gentle massage.
Inguinal hernias are more common in certain age groups. Among adults, the risk increases with age, peaking between 75 and 80. In children, hernias are most common between ages 0 and 5. And among infants, they are more common in premature babies. Inguinal hernias are also more common in males, who are 8 to 10 times more likely than women to develop them. Also at higher risk are males who have had a prostatectomy, people with a lower BMI, and people with connective tissue disorders. Inguinal hernias may become stuck or incarcerated, meaning the contents cannot be massaged back inside the abdominal wall. If it becomes strangulated, such can cause tissue death. Risk factors include
Your symptoms may worsen when you strain, lift, cough, or stand for long periods. They may improve with rest or lying down. Seek medical help right away if you have symptoms of a stuck or strangulated hernia. It is life-threatening. Your symptoms may worsen when you strain, lift, cough, or stand for long periods. They may improve with rest or lying down. Seek medical help right away if you have symptoms of a stuck or strangulated hernia. It is life-threatening. Your symptoms may worsen when you strain, lift, cough, or stand for long periods. They may improve with rest or lying down. Seek medical help right away if you have symptoms of a stuck or strangulated hernia. It is life-threatening.
Indirect inguinal hernias are related to a defect in the lower abdominal wall that is present at birth. The bitumen that typically close before birth, hence the abdomen may bulge through regions open and causing a hernia.
Direct inguinal hernias are related to a weak area in the inguinal canal wall that develops in life, may bulge it out through this weak area causing a hernia. This type of hernia primarily occurs in men. Women and children rarely. I'm going to examine your abdomen for a hernia. Please cough for me. Okay. Now, bear down like you're having a bowel movement. I'm going to gently push this back in. Thank you.
If the diagnosis is not clear, doctors may order imaging tests like ultrasound. Ultrasound uses sound waves to create an image of your organs. This helps check for an inguinal hernia or complications.
Computed tomography, or CT, uses X-rays and computer technology to create detailed images. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, takes pictures of soft tissues without using X-rays.
In open hernia surgery, a surgeon makes a cut in your groin to view and repair the hernia. After repairing the hernia, surgeons typically use stitches and a piece of mesh to close the abdominal wall. The mesh strengthens the weak area where the hernia occurred. In laparoscopic hernia surgery, a surgeon makes several small cuts in your lower abdomen and inserts special tools to view and repair the hernia. The surgeon uses a piece of mesh to close and strengthen the abdominal wall.
Patients most often receive general anesthesia for laparoscopic hernia surgery. Recovery time after laparoscopic surgery may be shorter than after open hernia surgery. Research suggests that men with inguinal hernias that cause few or no symptoms may be able to safely delay surgery, an approach called watchful waiting. Men who delay surgery should watch for symptoms and see a doctor regularly. If an inguinal hernia causes complications, such as becoming stuck or strangulated, you will need emergency surgery to repair the hernia and treat the complications.
You may have some pain or discomfort after hernia surgery. The pain is typically mild and goes away within 2 weeks. Your doctor will recommend medicines to relieve pain.
And when can I return to work?
Within 3 to 5 days for most people.
Surgery to repair an inguinal hernia is quite safe. However, possible complications of hernia surgery include urinary retention, infection, swelling from a hematoma or seroma, chronic or severe pain, and hernia return requiring further surgery.
Surgery to repair an inguinal hernia is quite safe. However, possible complications of hernia surgery include urinary retention, infection, swelling from a hematoma or seroma, chronic pain, and hernia return. The safest time to perform surgery in premature infants born with inguinal hernias. The likelihood that infants born with an abdominal wall defect will develop an inguinal hernia during childhood. Ways to manage hernia surgery pain.